I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Ford Mustang. First, park the working vehicle close enough for the jumper cables to reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. Make sure both cars are turned off and in park or neutral. Turn off all lights, radio, and air conditioning in both vehicles. Now, open the hood of your Mustang and locate the battery, which is usually on the passenger side. Next, it's time to connect the jumper cables carefully. Take one red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your Mustang's dead battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Now, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the other black negative clamp to an unpainted metal part on your Mustang's engine block, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, you can now start the engines. First, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your Mustang's dead battery. After 5 minutes, try to start your Ford Mustang. If it doesn't start immediately, give it a few more minutes, perhaps another 3 to 5 minutes, and then try again. Do not crank the engine for more than 15 seconds at a time. Once your Mustang starts, congratulations. Turn off both vehicles. Now, carefully disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from your Mustang's engine block, then the black negative clamp from the good car's battery. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the good car, and finally, the red positive clamp from your Mustang. Drive your Mustang for at least 20 minutes to allow the battery to fully recharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.